I feel like I'm on a TV programme. I'm sweating. I'm absolutely sweating. I found myself on that.
Oh, our fans are in the shed.
Well, it's time to get them out.
Oh, you look so good.
Yeah, the lighting's good, isn't it? I'm happy with that.
Hi.
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 There were no instructions here.
Oh, yeah, no, there aren't. But everyone knows you.
Are we just going?
You're a fan fave.
Hi. Is that how you say it? Children would know. Should I do an extra shot?
Right, let's try this. It's going to be melon, I think. But there's an ice cream.
Gabu nomi. I love Guba nomi. I've been really looking forward to it. This is the highlight of my May. I was telling people at work, this is what they were like, what are you doing this weekend? Like casual, lunch chat.
Just
and I was like, right, oh my god, going around this girl's house eating Japanese food. And they were like, oh, it's a weird rim. Isn't it?
Like it's thick.
And then they were like, oh, great. And I was like, no,
it.
it will be great.
Did they think it was weird that you were doing this?
Well, because I didn't they?
It smells like ice creamy, and I don't want it to be.
I'm nervous. Is it thick?
No.
It's just like... the rim. Should we show them the rim?
It's sort of like cream soda, I feel like. Do you know what I mean?
It's melony.
Is it?
Yeah, I think that tastes like melon. It's nice, it's refreshing. It's for a summer's day. I like that.
It is nice. It's like a melted ice lolly.
Again. Do we rate them out of 10?
We should.
I think that's...
Oh, I should do that. See, you should just be here every week.
I think that's... I'd give it a 7.
Oh.
I think it's an ice cream flavour.
I think it's melon ice cream flavour.
Makes sense.
Can people comment below and tell me what this is?
7 out of 10. What do you think?
Maybe 7. I was going to say 8, but like...
I think this is why you don't know because what else is in there. So you can't... It's hard to rate
are we judging it against that?
No, just
leave that there so we can have it between.
Yeah, that's yummy.
Right.
Oh my, it's so colourful.
That looks so good. Oh, that's DIY.
Oh, I love the DIY.
We'll do the DIY. Usually I don't bother.
Yeah, do you know what I really hope is in here that I've always wanted to try? Is those giant what's-it things? They're in all of them. I really hope one's in here because I really want to try it. I'll be sad if there
Right, you
isn't.
pick first. Oh, I had them last time.
I'm going to go in, like, somewhere I can't see.
Ooh. It chose the smallest thing.
Sour. Long chewing gum. Was it gum? Should we have that last then?
Yeah, we'll have that last.
Sorry. You pick now because I failed.
Oh, okay. I'm going to choose this.
I can't see a big cheesy what's-it, I'm sad.
I can't see any crisps and I'm sad.
Yeah, I like a crisp. That's okay. Oh, it's bourbon. This is bourbon. Give me a biscuit. Come in.
Ooh.
Oh, I don't like these anyway. I don't like that consistency, but I'll obviously still try it. So
right, you can have a little bit because I do like it.
Oh, it looks like cherry.
Oh, yeah. Nice teeth. Oh, that's
that
good.
was nice. Oh.
Are you getting new flavours?
8 out of 10.
Cats. I've been watching that lately. You know what? Last month with Jordan, everything was strawberry flavour, everything's peach.
Is that the idea?
No, well, I don't know.
That's orange. Nearly. That's banana.
Fine.
Oh god.
I'll take it back. Right, you choose one now. I think it's all sweets. Are these the big what's it?
Caramel corn.
Yeah, is that what you're talking about?
They're going to be crisps, aren't they?
They're sweet.
Oh.
They're like a cereally weird texture.
So you do like what YouTubers do.
Vanna White.
Is it focusing? Focusing. I'll put my hand under it.
I've got an iPhone SE jet.
Hey, you Kezia.
Smell it.
Smells savoury.
Mate, there's a picture of like sushi on the front.
Where's marshmallows?
Is it?
I thought that was marshmallows.
Comment below, what do you think that is? I thought it was like satay chicken.
Yeah, but oh my god, they look good. I think they're going to be like a nutty what's it. Oh my god, that's so nice. It's like popcorn.
It is like popcorn, but what flavour is that? Because caramel, they're called caramel corn. They're all called that no matter what flavour it is. Yeah, you just start sucking it, Jack. We can look on it.
Sweet, but not too sweet.
A traditional Japanese sweet that you can buy in many
Caramel
places.
corn has combined the crunchy texture.
With this uniquely Japanese sweet. So
That's
caramel corn's
delicious.
the what this is. And then they have different flavours. Like I've had strawberry caramel corn.
That's
That's good
delicious.
though. I think these are the best ones I've had.
9 out of 10.
I reckon.
I'm not going to dislike anything though. That's so good though.
You can take them home.
Why?
Because I never eat them.
But
I would
even in
always
the
give them
cinema.
to Jack. Okay. We're in the cinema. We're going to see Love, Simon, everyone.
That's a cinema snack.
I hope you love this film.
I will.
Yeah, you really will.
I thought it was called Love Anthony.
You
Not gonna
didn't.
I don't know. I knew it was Love something. It's gonna be good. LGBTQ plus as fuck. That's delicious. This is all delicious.
This is
Are
good.
people in Japan fat?
No, why aren't they? Right, I want these banana sandwiches.
Wow, that looks intimidating. It reminds me of them things in Yo Sushi.
What things in Yoshu's?
You know, like the chocolate ones.
Oh, I've only ever had sushi from there.
Oh,
Is this like their pudding?
yeah, they've got some ribbons.
Oh, we get one each.
One each, you sure?
Yeah.
I feel really like privileged. Banana no omelette. That's what. Banana no omelette.
So, this is like a. Do you know when you get like cheap?
Cakes from Iceland. You know those ones. That's exactly what I was thinking.
That's literally
I
it.
love those though.
Yes, me too.
We always used to get them as kids. After school.
Oh, I love it.
It's a pure pillow.
That's so good.
It smells pure banana.
Oh, I love it so much.
I keep dripping.
It's fine, just eat it. You can drop whatever you want on my bed.
It's like a cloud.
It's like eating a banana flavoured cloud.
That's so weird.
I love it.
Mm.
Mm.
I've got time for that.
Me too.
But I'm gonna go back. I don't know if it's as good as the others.
I feel like this is my favourite
No, this-
cheap crud cake.
No, I've given this a 6.5.
I
Oh, delicious.
love that you feel like you can't rate two things on the same level.
I can. But it's not as good as that.
I can.
Why does it say banana no omelette though?
Because there's not an omelette.
Yeah.
Wait, but...
That's what they are. Or maybe their omelettes aren't our omelettes.
Right, your turn.
It's no big what's it. I'm gonna go
Oh,
for
no.
this.
I do get sad when there's not crisps.
Is it like a Pez?
Oh my days, I was going to say that, but minus...
There's pineapple. Oh.
Yeah, I think it's just going to be a big Pez.
What's that box do?
What's that box do? Oh,
Something
is there a
in it.
special one in there? Oh, it's a game!
It's a game.
That's a hairbrush.
Nearly. Can you brush my fringe? Oh, there's a gap. Oh! Ooh. That's good quality hairbrush.
That's like a tangle
10 out of 10. 10 out, oh no! 10 out of 10 have they all fallen out.
Yeah. Oh, this is good for little, like, kids.
Oh, they'll choke on that, Kazia.
Oh, but they get a hairbrush.
Oh, the hairbrush is good. Oh, you're biting it.
Oh.
That's hollow. Oh. That's sad, isn't it?
It's like a big Pez, though.
That's like when you see a beef burger and it's actually mushroom. Do you know what I mean?
That's never happened.
No, same, but I hope it never does. That's a refresher, isn't it?
No.
It's just pure refresher. That's delicious.
And refreshers chewy.
No. Or maybe like a Parma Violet or something. Or like,
Yeah.
you know,
The
refresher.
fizzers.
Yeah. That's yummy.
Wait, but ain't the refresher the yellow one with the sherbet in it?
That's lemon sherbet. But not the best, so 7 out of 10.
No, they're like 4.
Oh.
Things like that are a bit rubbish.
Yeah, maybe 5 then. You're right.
Let's have this. I hate orange flavoured sweets.
Why?
Because they're the worst.
I love orange. Is that another gum?
Oh, you can take these home, mate. I already know I don't like it.
Oh, it smells orangey. Mmm. A gummy. A real gummy.
No. I'm not here for that.
What?
Sorry.
I love sweets.
They're orange too. Very sad about this.
Sorry. Oh, that's that.
I think I've had this.
I just like a fortune cookie, do you know what I mean? But
Ooh,
I can't wait.
it sounds big. Oh.
They're like sucky sweets. They look like
Yeah.
sherbet lemons.
Right. We have to save all the suckies till last.
We ain't got no time for you.
I don't need this. Oh, maybe I do.
Yeah, have it.
Oh, it's a high
Oh,
chew.
it's a high chew. Have you had those? My manager's obsessed with high chews, and they're just pure plastic. They're not nice. They're not nice.
Oh, as I give you one.
I haven't had similar high chews to this, so this looks like.
No, I like high
this-
chews, but
No,
I don't
they're
like orange.
plastic. They're pure plastic. Do you think?
To be honest, I had some the other day and thought these do taste like plastic.
That taste is plastic.
I can still taste the caramel corn.
I think. Oh, it's not great. It's better than the other one. Oh,
It tastes like a burnt orange.
it's plastic.
I don't want them.
Plastic. Oh, I feel
Oh,
like
that's
they're one of those
really
sweets
gross. Yeah. Like if you're doing
that's very
a
noisy.
ASMR
Yeah,
mukbang.
or shall we?
How do
My
people
teeth
do
look
it?
so yellow.
I think they look white. How do people do it and not laugh? When you watched a video of you the other day when you were like...
I can't swallow it, it's so thick.
Right, we're going to do this one.
Can you swallow it? Have you been
I've
able to
still
swallow
got it.
I'm going to have a bit of drink because I don't think it'll go down.
Oh!
It's my turn to choose.
Oh, sorry.
I choose that one that you just opened.
Oh, it's apple.
I don't like apple.
Well,
If it's green apple, I don't.
oh, that's good. You held it in such a funny way.
Is it sour? No.
No.
It's very nice. It's good
Oh.
though. Stuff all over me. That was yummy. Like my turn. Wasn't that?
Okay.
I'm gonna look so much fun. Does that make your own again? No. Or you eat the thing it's in.
I think it's... oh!
It's fruit,
Oh!
it's fruit bowl.
It's a fruit bowl and you can eat the bowl.
That's so cute.
Oh, no.
Well,
I've just picked a spot and now my nose is bleeding.
oh, I thought.
I can see it out the corner of my eye.
How did you pick it? Have you got glitter on your face?
Oh, I put highlighter on and there's glitter on the brush.
You're stretching your ear again.
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
No, this is like the size it is.
So what size is that? This is the size it is. So no.
I'm just checking to see how far I can do it, but I don't have any bigger than this. That's probably like a 5 or something.
Yeah, it's not big.
It's
is it?
not big at all. But because they weren't closing up and it just looked ugly.
So you're gonna bring them back?
Yeah, and for my friend's wedding,
Okay,
then I can
okay.
just wear plain ones.
Yeah, cute.
And then it's
Can you
fine.
get glittery ones?
Yeah.
Oh, and what do you do with the chopsticks?
I
Oh, the
think-
toothpick.
These are... I don't like these. I think it's mocky.
What's mocky? Oh.
It's like... I don't... It's a texture that I don't like.
That's better than a gummy. It's got no flavour. I haven't had no flavour. Can I try a yellow one?
Yeah. Mine didn't have flavour either. I'm still bleeding. Maybe it isn't mocky. It just looks like something I'd
It's got no
called them.
flavour. Can I try the
Yeah,
bar?
they are mocky candies in a wafer that looks like a fruit basket. Is it well cheap tasting?
It doesn't just let them
Let me taste
No,
it.
I don't need those. Oh, can I try a pink? No, actually, I don't want to. What's the scent of God?
That's just like a cheap cone, isn't it? From. Oh, that's got a bad
That's
aftertaste.
2 out of 10.
I would eat them. Oh, what colour is that?
Green, yellow.
That was good. That tasted like melon.
They all taste the same.
Should we do this because this is more fun?
Yeah.
Because all this, these are literally all hard-boiled sweets
Time consuming.
and chewing gum.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think you need to watch us do that.
This is the make me one.
Yeah. And it smells like bananas.
It's so banana-y.
Right, so we've got sprinkles.
Love it. Loves it.
Loves it. Bananas.
Loves it.
And this is like chocolate
The
sauce.
sauce. Oh, so you just make it here? It's like a fab. Why do they only give you
Like
one?
a fab!
So why do they give you one stick?
Oh,
Should I have the
oh.
other one?
Yeah.
Like, people want to share these sweets.
Should we stop it and film from above?
I don't know, I'm not a director.
Oh,
Doing that.
you just went.
Mukbang.
So you put the banana on the stick. Do you need 2 hands?
No.
No, you
Voila.
don't do it like that.
I can do it how the fuck I want. Oh, it's smooth.
Get more, get more.
Oh, I feel like Anthea Turner, you know, from Big Brother. I mean, Blue Peter.
Big Brother. What did she do this?
She was like a Blue Peter presenter.
Yeah, I know, but what has this got to do with...
That's really chocolatey.
Is that good?
I think taste
Not great.
5 out of 10, but fun factor 10 out of 10.
Where's my stick? I love that we found mine and now it's gone again.
Yes.
Right, I'm going to do it the right way.
It doesn't end, do you know what I mean?
Like on the picture. I want mine to look like that guy.
I break the rules.
Look, Jack, you should have done this.
It just tastes very synthetic.
Because it is. Ooh.
But it doesn't end.
I do love it though.
It's fun.
No, I need another one. It was that much fun.
Nice.
Fun factor.
Caramel corn.
10 out of 10. What if you dip the caramel corn in the chocolate?
Am I allowed to do that?
Yeah. I love the taste and texture of the banana.
No, I don't like synthetic banana then.
That's my least favourite kind of banana. Synthetic
I don't
banana.
really like that chocolate though.
Right.
I'm just gonna eat so many sweets.
Wait, let's read what these are.
I don't.
I think it's all hard candy.
What's that? The cat. That looks cute.
Oh,
And then
the
that's
cat.
soft. No, that's hard. The gum. What's that?
These purple
Awesome.
grape candies change colours and flavours to tell your fortune. If the candy turns red, you'll have an awesome strawberry flavoured lucky day. If it turns yellow, you will have lemon flavoured good luck. And if it turns green, you'll have green apple flavoured basic luck. You'll be a basic bitch.
Lemon flavoured good luck. It's weird that, because just the other day I was saying to someone, you've got basic good luck. Like common saying.
This one is gum.
There's a lot of gum.
This one
It's gum.
is gum.
Oh, what's in the middle? Is that coconut?
Did you just...
That's nice. I like a hard sweet.
This tastes like something from the seaside.
Rock.
Yeah, not rock. A specific
Fish and chips. This is all getting a bit much, this sugar. That's what I'm using.
Right, let's have our last ones.
So you don't think this is as good as your other boxes?
Mitsu peach. I just prefer when they give you a mix of sweet and savoury.
Yeah.
This is all sweet.
Sweet's too much. The banana pillow was excellent though.
Also, Tokyo Treat, the other box, they do a theme.
Oh,
I feel like this isn't themed.
oh, this is Japan crate. Oh, I've just got my initials all over it.
I know, my mum asked me yesterday if I call you JC.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, no, because we call Jackson JC. Well, I don't.
Do you know when I was little, or well, at gigs and drunk, at the cloakrooms when you have to take your clothes?
When I was little at gigs and drunk.
Well, when I was younger at gigs and when I used to be drunk, and they always ask for your initials at the cloakroom, and I'd be like JC for Jesus Christ every time. That was so funny.
Right, what colour do you have?
Orange.
Oh,
They're all peach.
one's an apple.
No, they're all peach. 3 kinds of peach.
Oh.
There's
That
some
look
more,
like a peach
that looks
to
like
me.
a more mature peach. I love a peach.
That nearly went all the way.
That nearly went the whole way through.
Oh my god, it's like in that scene in Call Me By Your Name when he gets the peach. We were sitting together in the cinema like, what's he doing?
Yeah. Honestly, it's so fucked up.
That's good. That's good.
I'm concentrating.
Did you watch Peach? That's not her name.
James and Giant Peach?
No, Trish. I was meant to say Trish.
No?
Trish and Josh Peck doing
No.
theirs. You didn't watch theirs?
No.
They ate wings and talked about being fat. It was great.
That's good.
It was funny.
I'm not a fan of those. Have you tried it?
Am I meant to?
No.
I tried. So, what was your favourite?
100%.
You can honestly have them for the cinema.
Yeah, honestly.
I would say, to be honest, oh, this was my favourite.
Interesting.
Also these.
Oh,
I like
they're
the
so
cheap
different.
stuff.
So good. This was good though. Don't forget this.
Oh, that was good. My least
Those
favourite
were
was
good.
probably these.
No, I like those.
Oh, these, they're rubbish.
No,
these,
that was the worst.
these mocky things. Nah, not a fan.
I don't like these.
I do. It's just like, this is boring to eat, isn't it?
I feel like I've had so much sugar. These are just glorious. But my body.
Oh, we got to say bye.
Okay.
Bye.
No, are we going?
Yeah.
Bye. Until
Peace
next time. Bye.